RV enthusiasts. If you've been dreaming of hitting the open road with a rig that's as compact as it is incredible, you're in for a treat today. I'm super excited to dive into the 2025 Palomino PUMA 121RKCE RV. Trust me, this little beauty is turning heads and stealing hearts. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's explore why this tiny trailer might just be your next big adventure. First off, let's talk about that stunning exterior. Picture this: a sleek 16-foot travel trailer parked in a lot, looking so compact. You'd think it's just a teaser for something bigger, but oh, it's not. This PUMA 121RKCE is designed to tow with just about any truck or SUV you've got, thanks to its lightweight build, coming in at around 2,664 pounds unloaded. That means you don't need a monster truck to haul it. Your everyday ride can handle the job. The silver and white finish with those bold black accents gives it a modern vibe. And that diamond plate front? It's there to protect it from the road's rough edges. Plus, with a single axle and a 9-foot power awning, it's ready to set up camp in style wherever you go. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the magic happens. Open that door, and you're greeted with a space that feels massive compared to its tiny footprint. Right up front, you've got a cozy 54-inch 74-inch queen bed, perfect for stretching out after a day of exploring. It's got flip-up storage underneath, so you can stash all your gear without cluttering the place. Across from it, there's a slick jackknife sofa that doubles as extra sleeping space. Great for a guest or the kids. And the kitchen? Oh, it's a game changer. Tucked in the rear corner, you've got a stainless steel 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, and a 4.3 cubic foot fridge to keep your snacks fresh. The thermofoil countertops add a nice touch, and with all those cupboards, you'll have plenty of room for your camping essentials. But wait, there's more. The private bathroom is a standout, complete with a shower that even has a seat, plus a toilet, so you're not relying on campground facilities. And those large windows? They flood the space with natural light, making it feel open and airy. It's like a home away from home, packed into this pint-sized package. Now, let's chat about what makes this RV perform. While it's not a hybrid engine like some motor coaches out there, the PUMA 121RKCE is built for efficiency. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 3,140 pounds and a cargo capacity of 1,176 pounds, it's got the muscle to carry what you need: 34 gallons of fresh water, 30 gallons each of gray and black water, without weighing you down. The single-axle steel chassis and 5 or 8-inch plywood flooring mean it's durable yet light, perfect for those weekend getaways or even a cross-country trip. And with backup camera prep and stabilizing jacks, setting up is a breeze, even for first-timers. Pricing is another win here. The MSRP hovers around $28,698, but you can snag it on sale for as low as $14,480. Talk about a steal! That affordability, paired with its feature-packed design, makes it a no-brainer for rookie campers or seasoned RVers looking to downsize without losing comfort. And looking ahead to 2026, I can see this model staying a top contender. With its efficient layout and growing popularity, thanks to that buzz around tiny living, it could easily become the go-to choice for anyone wanting a lightweight, budget-friendly trailer that doesn't skimp on style. So, how could this be your perfect fit? Imagine towing it with your SUV to a national park, setting up that awning for some shade, and enjoying a home-cooked meal inside while the world passes by. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even small families who love the freedom of the road without the hassle of a big rig. Plus, with all that storage and those smart features, You're set for spontaneous adventures all year round. All right, folks, that's the scoop on the 2025 PUMA 121RKCE RV. If this tiny on the outside, massive on the inside trailer has you excited, hit that like button, subscribe for more RV goodness, and drop a comment. Tell me where you'd take this beauty. Maybe we can plan a virtual road trip together. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the highway.